question was you to motivate the CAT 26 जनता जो CAT की तैयारी कर रही है. What went right for you? What motivated you? कुछ एक line बोलना है.
CAT, it was mostly about the preparation phase that was like locking in into the course and all. So that is something that I think worked for me, and I'm hoping to convert it very soon.
Cheers, Tanay. Thank you so much. Okay, who's next? फटाफट जल्दी. 30 seconds of fame.
CAT 2026 वालों के लिए बस यही है मोटिवेशन कि just keep going, like solve as much questions as you can, give as much mocks as you can. Like I myself gave about 30 plus mocks and I don't know around 100 200 sectionals. So like I had to like hit myself every time. I have scored even a 37 marks in my mock and I have scored a 120 marks in my mock. So I have seen the journey from the starting to the end. So it's like just go on and don't stop and go preparing.
Awesome,
and everything
awesome.
will.
Final में कितने हैं तेरे?
99.84, 106.
Very nice. Awesome. Okay, who's next? फटाफट.
So, hello sir.
Hi.
Myself Pratham. So, मैं यही बोलूँगा कि सबका एक कॉमन ग्रेटर टारगेट होगा, वो है CAT 2026, बट वो सबके लिए कॉमन है. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट एवरीवन की सबका एक 1 month 2 month का स्मॉल टारगेट्स रखने के लिए वो इंडिविजुअल के लिए डिफरेंट होगा. एंड बस ये कंसिस्टेंसी रखो कि हर 1 महीने 2 महीने जो टारगेट सेट किया मैं उसका कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ. एंड लाइक 6-7 महीने बाद तुम देखोगे कि कहाँ थे तुम और कहाँ पहुंच गए. So that's the like one suggestion that I will give. और mock वगैरह तो है, वो कॉमन है सबके लिए बस.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Great. Hope the dashboard and everything classes were helping you. Verbal सब बढ़िया से help किया तेरे को?
हाँ सर बस consistent with it. अगर live class join नहीं भी कर पाया, I used to go back and watch the recordings consistently. So yeah, so
awesome.
That helped a lot.
Awesome, great, thanks. Okay, who's next?
I'd just like to say something that I wish somebody would have told me when I started my journey. It's just the fact that when you're starting a CAT journey, you don't need to have everything figured out on day one. You just need the courage to begin. Because the moment that you decide to show up for yourself every single day, that's when you get one step closer to completing your CAT journey.
That's lovely.
ओके सर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच सर. मतलब बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है आपसे बात करके भी, और जब भी आपका मतलब कोई भी क्लास देखते हैं तो. एंड सर यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि लाइक मतलब जो आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग्स वाले सब्जेक्ट, लाइक जैसे मेरा VARC थोड़ा वीक था, QA और LRD अच्छा था, तो मैंने 50% टाइम उसको दिया एंड 50% टाइम VARC को दिया. तो मैंने लाइक जो अभी ओवरऑल मेरा परसेंटाइल बना है वो 99.57 है, जिसमें से QA का 99.80 बना है. सो लाइक उसको मैंने अपना एक अलग ही टाइम दिया था, बिकॉज मैं चाहता था कि मेरा ओवरऑल परसेंटाइल उससे अच्छा बने. VRC में लाइक 95 बना है, सो इट्स लाइक ओके.
That's lovely. Thanks for that. Vaishnavi Upadhyay, go ahead.
So well, I would place emphasis. I would give emphasis to analyzing your mocks. It's not giving mocks will not suffice. Analyzing them, then strategizing, then practicing again, and then giving mock will do a greater benefit to your journey.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay, who's next? सब हो गए? अंजलि.
Okay, so basically consistency and motivation खत्म हो रहा है, तो just watch sir की YouTube वाली videos and जो mocks हैं CAT के स्पेशली उनसे बहुत क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. मतलब इट्स वेरी रिलेटेड. सो I'd suggest you कि अगर हो सकता है तो buy them.
अरे that's so sweet. Thank you so much. Okay, मोक्ष गर्ग तेरा हो गया. कौन रह गया भाई?
So first of all, I would like to thank you. And for 2026, first of all, the thing is that just take the leap of faith for the mocks. First, you may feel devastating, but eventually you will know that where you stand and how you are improving. And during the mocks, the tip I would like to give is that first of all, don't cheat. You are cheating to yourself. There is nothing to show on the leaderboard for the mocks. And the second thing is, if you are not performing good in a section, you may feel that I am the best in this section and not in the other. But don't take that mindset to the exam, because these sections may differ in difficulty. If you're performing bad in a section, don't take it to this next section.
Superb. That's lovely. Thank you. Thank you for your inputs.
Hi, I'm Sejal Sharma.
Sauradeep Chaudhary. मेरा CAT percentile 99.20 था.
Watching your videos and I kept watching them, and the motivation and your energy was just too high that it gave me the motivation that I can do it.
I'm very grateful to you because आपके मैं सारे lectures बैठा हूँ.
CAT King का जो इंटरफेस है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है एकदम CAT की तरफ.
क्या बात है?
Whenever I used to feel low, आपका motivation देख लेती थी.
पापा मेरे से बड़े फैन हैं.
क्यों भाई?
क्योंकि जब मैं स्पीकर पे पढ़ता था या आपके वीडियो देखता था तो बोलते हैं यार ये बंदा ना पढ़ाते हो सब मोटिवेट करता है तुम्हें, वो हवा भरती रहनी चाहिए हमेशा गाड़ी में.
Thank you so much, sir. And I would again like to thank all of you, the CAT King family. It's been a great experience.
Hit the bell icon.